everyone! Welcome to another video. So today I'll be sharing with you kung paano ba ini-install or dina-download ang Alphalist Data Entry. So first, you have to go to the website ng BIR, which is bir.gov.ph, and then punta ka lang sa homepage. And then dito, hanapin mo sa baba yung downloadables. Yan, so nandito siya. Click mo siya and then look for Alphalist Data Entry and Validation Module version 7. Okay, so nababago yung, na-update po ito ha. You have to make sure na na-updated yung mga Alphalist nyo or yung EBR forms nyo. Okay, and then Alphalist. So pag click mo na yan, ayan, madadownload na siya sa computer mo and then i-install lang natin. So, double click. Yan. And then, continue lang. Yes. Next. Yan. Kung halimbawa gusto mo siyang makita sa desktop shortcut, and then sa start menu button, i-click mo lang yan. Kung ayaw mo naman, then uncheck mo lang. And then, next. And then, yung folder, destination folder. Yan. So, make sure, nasa ano siya, nasa local C disk. Install. And then finish. So, once done na, makikita mo yan dito. Okay, so, makikita mo yan sa start menu button mo. Yan, so, nandito na siya. Okay, so, once na-open mo na yan, click mo na siya. So, ganito yung itsura niya. Hihingan ka niya ng company taxpayers information. So, bago ka magkaroon ng access dun sa mga forms. So, click mo lang yes, and then lagay mo lang yung details mo. So, kung saang RDO ka, so this is just sample ha. And then, category of withholding agent, private, line of business. So, yung sa line of business, makikita mo to dun sa COR, kung ano yung nakalagay doon, dun sa COR mo. And then, taxpayers classification, individual. Kung individual ka, yan, kailangan mong fill upan yung full names mo, last name, first name, and middle name. Kung halimbawa naman corporation or partnership, so dito siya. So, registered name, dito mo siya. Ilalagay mo dito yung pangalan ng company mo. And then, registered business address, and then authorized representative, kung sino. Kung halimbawa kayo din, then lagay mo yung pangalan mo. And then, click mo lang yung save. So, I hope nakatulong ito sa inyo. If you have question, you can comment down below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel. And then you can also click the notification bell button para in case na mayroon tayong next video, ma-update kayo.